Let's learn how to fix Hamster Kombat Webpage not available. If you want to know how to fix the Hamster Kombat webpage is not available, then follow the step-by-step video till the end. First, open the Settings app and search for the Date and Time option. Then, toggle on the Set Time Automatically button. Go back to Settings and tap the System option. You can change the date and time on this page as well. Now, go to the home screen of your phone and long tap Telegram. Tap App Info and then force stop the app. Otherwise, tap Storage and Cache. Now, clear the cache to remove all the junk files. Next, go to your App Store and search Telegram. Update the app to the latest version to remove all the bugs. Now open the Telegram app and go to Hamster Kombat Chat. Tap Play in one click and play the game by continuously tapping the button. By following these steps, you can resolve the issue. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.